Hi, Dumpling here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to split your avatar's jaw, specifically for Vrchat. Disclaimer, this video will only contain the Blender part, and it is intended for people who have a bit of Blender knowledge. In this video, I'll be showing you how to have your jaw split on a blend shape, but I will be also going over very quickly how to have it open when you speak in-game. Another important point is that your mesh will have slight misalignments and will therefore no longer be symmetrical, so I suggest doing this after all your Blender work is done, though it will not affect or slightly affect your texture. And let's get to it, because we have a bunch of things to do. So, for this, go into modeling and find a blend shape that opens up your mouth enough. So like here it's like that base Viseme blend shape, but it could be any other blend shape that is on your model that opens the mouth. Make sure you're not doing this on a blend shape though, and only on the bases. Okay. So, for this, I am going to remove the tongue, but that is because I wish not to keep the tongue. Though, what you can do to match this tutorial is press H and you will hide the mesh. So, I'm going to do the same thing with the teeth, because they're in the way. Front view, and there is a straight line going across her bottom jaw, so we're going to select this whole line and make sure you select every vertex that is on this line, maybe not this far. You will see why. Grab it until there, and keep in mind that if you select a vertex here, those faces are going to get deleted. So maybe, let me see, how far should the split go? Maybe one more. Maybe one more like this. Now you're gonna press X vertices. Just press tab once and again to just put it back to normal. So as you can see, you're left with a pretty big gap in the mouth. So you're just going to select the edge vertices that line up like this. And press F so you make new faces. And you're gonna do this symmetrically on both sides. Okay, so once you filled in all those gaps, you're gonna grab this not vertice, what is it? What's this even called? Like the edge, yeah, edge select. And you're going to grab this one right here. Though make sure you have your actions mirrored. And I suggest you check this on and check connected only. What that's gonna do is when you press G, there is this thing that is going to pop out, and it's basically going to either pinpoint the precision or just make it more global and grab more things around. Though, when you first toggle it on, the circle will be quite big, so just scroll out a little bit. Just scroll in, whatever works for you. So, you're just gonna put them like slightly more together like this. And once it's brought out a little more, just go back to this vertice setting. And you're going to do the same thing for all of these. And you're basically going to want to close it, but leave a gap between those. If there are any issues with the mesh afterwards, as in like it not being, it forming holes like this, we're going to fix it later. So, just close everything up. Yes. Okay, so once you have combined all of this, what we're going to do is go into your sculpting tab, and you're going to select this smooth tool here, and in the brush settings you're going to find the deformation. And instead of having this liplation setting, you're going to check surface. And it's going to be a lot less harsh and easier to work with. So, smooth tool. If you see any of like these spikes there, just roll them out a little bit. All we're gonna do is take our elastic deform and try to not have these spiky edges. Okay, so now we are going to do the same thing with the teeth, because the jaw will split this way as well. So go back to modeling, press Alt-H to make everything reappear again. So we're just gonna hide the tongue, because that's not what we are here for. So as for this, you can do Shift Alt and click on this line of vertices. It will select mostly every loop, but you can just fix it yourself like so. Just gonna check if everything was selected, and I think yes. So what you're gonna do is the same thing. You're gonna press X, vertices, press tab twice, and you're left with this gap again. But you're gonna do the same process than we did with the jaw. You're going to fill this side with the F key, like we did with the jaw, and then reshape it and put it closer to the center. So, for example, here you have that kind of misalignment, as in you have two vertices here and you have two other ones here that are supposed to make a square. What you're gonna do is just grab this and try to like put it away like so. Or what you can do is keep it like this, and you're just going to make a triangle like so. it's not going to ruin your mesh composition as much. And now do the same thing on the other side. Once you've connected both sides, what we're gonna do, like our jaw, is connect bring them closer.